This is a Benchy. Originally created as a torture test and now has become the most popular 3D model with over 4 million downloads. And today, I'm gonna 3D print one for every subscriber I have. But before I do that, there we have it, all 105 subscribers. Anyway, I'd like to thank you so much for reaching 100 subscribers. It's been one of my goals on YouTube this whole time. If you're not subscribed, I'd highly recommend it. Maybe once we get to 1,000, I may do another one of these Benchy videos, but they do require a lot of time, so no promises. And the videos will be coming out a little more spaced out this year. I'm going into my last year of schooling, and I'm also trying to improve the quality of my videos as well. And it's just going to take me longer to produce them, so I appreciate you guys' patience. I wasn't the best at uploading last year, and it's probably going to be worse this year. So, see ya.